In this video, we listed the 5 best wireless doorbell on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Smart Tuya Wireless Doorbell. The video doorbell products listed have various features and specifications. They are powered by a rechargeable 5000 mAh built-in battery and offer a diagonal 150 degrees view angle with night vision capabilities. The devices support wireless connection via Wi-Fi and come with a 4.3-inch digital monitor viewer. They can capture photographs and videos, and some models have a maximum 128 GB TF card capacity for storage. The doorbells are compatible with smart home platforms like Alexa, Tuya, and Google Assistant, and can be controlled through the Tuya Smart or Smart Life apps. Additionally, they are designed for door thickness ranging from 35 mm to 105 mm, with a cat-eye size of 17 to 35 mm. The products also feature automatic identification and induction for visitors, one-way talk functionality, and a buttonless design. The models mentioned include the Mosaic door camera, cat-eye visual doorbell, peephole camera, and Tuya peephole door viewer wireless. These items are certified with CE and RoHS and originate from mainland China. Number 2. Smart 1080p Magic Doorbell. The video doorbell products mentioned in the overview are designed for wireless connection and are powered by a rechargeable 5000 mAh built-in battery. They feature a diagonal 150 degrees view angle with night vision capability and come with a 4.3-inch digital monitor viewer. These doorbells can capture photographs and videos with support for a maximum 128 GB TF card for storage. They are compatible with smart home platforms like Tuya Smart or Smart Life and can be controlled through these apps. The devices are suitable for door thickness ranging from 35 mm to 105 mm with a cat-eye size of 17 to 35 mm. Notably, the doorbells have no buttons, offer automatic identification and induction for visitors, and support one-way talk functionality. The models listed include the Mosaic door camera, cat-eye visual doorbell, peephole camera, and Tuya peephole door viewer wireless. These products are certified with CE and RoHS and originate from mainland China. Number 3. Alexa Google Tuya Smart Doorbell. The wireless doorbell products described in the overview are equipped with a dry battery power source and offer features such as photograph and video capture. These doorbells operate on a wireless connection and are branded under Rehentant, originating from mainland China. They are certified with CE and RoHS and are compatible with smart home platforms like Alexa, Tuya, and Google Assistant. The Tuya Wi-Fi peephole doorbell camera is powered by a 5000 mAh built-in rechargeable battery and features a 166-degree view angle with night vision capabilities up to 10 meters. It supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi protocol and can accommodate a max 128 GB TF card for storage. The device comes with a 4.3-inch monitor viewer and offers a 1080p resolution for clear video footage. The product names include variations like Peephole Camera Wireless, Tuya Door Peephole Camera Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Peephole Door Camera, Tuya Peephole Door Viewer Wireless, Digital Magic Eye Wi-Fi Door, Video Eye Door Camera, Google Camera Doorbell, Alexa Camera Doorbell, Doorbell Camera Wi-Fi, and Digital Door Peepholes. These doorbells are suitable for home and apartment use. Number 4. 3MP2K Smart Doorbell. The wireless doorbell products detailed in the overview are operated by a dry battery and offer features such as photograph and video capabilities, along with an alarm function. Manufactured by Rehentant in mainland China, these doorbells are certified with CE and RoHS standards and are compatible with smart home platforms under the category Other. The Tuya Wi-Fi video doorbell camera is powered by a 5200 mAh built-in battery, providing a working time of up to 3 months. It includes an indoor chime, a 160 degrees view angle, and supports a maximum 128 GB SD card. This IP65 certified doorbell camera also features night vision functionality. Product names associated with this device include Vico Home Doorbell Camera, Durable Met Camera, Door Camera, Sonnet Sans Fil avec Camera Wi-Fi, and Doorbell Camera Wi-Fi. Additionally, the doorbell comes equipped with an anti-tamper alarm system for added security. Number 5. Smart Life Tuya Wi-Fi Doorbell. The wireless doorbell products described in the overview feature a dry battery power source and color display, with capabilities for photograph and video functions, as well as an alarm system. Manufactured by Rehentant in mainland China, these doorbells are certified with CE and RoHS and are compatible with smart home platforms such as Alexa, Tuya, and Google Assistant. The Tuya Wi-Fi peephole doorbell camera comes with a 5000 mAh built-in rechargeable battery, offering a 166-degree view angle and supporting 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi protocol. It can accommodate a max 128 GB ITF card for storage and includes night vision functionality. The device is equipped with a 4.3-inch digital viewer and provides a resolution of 1080p for clear video footage. Product names associated with this device include Peephole Camera, Tuya Door, Peephole Camera, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Peephole Door Camera, Tuya Peephole Door Viewer Wireless, Digital Magic Eye, Wi-Fi Door, Video Eye Door Camera, Google Camera Doorbell, Alexa Camera Doorbell, Doorbell Camera Wi-Fi, and Digital Door Peepholes.